go unit da hit sa kiher, Unit 44. In this unit, we'll be looking at ways of passing the time at work or leisure in the countryside. First, here is a crofting activity. A rúscig ng cúrach, shearing the sheep. A rúscig ng cúrach. A rúscig ng cúrach.
Che has you with Gianif?
Ha mi a rúscig ng cúrach. An a lána ga beat a dal amach chun a mántich.
An lána ga beat a dal amach chun a mántich. In a day or two, they'll be going out to the moor.
Animals are biohichen. Biohichen. Some farm animals are cúrich, sheep. Cúrich. Cúrich. Kjarken, hens. Kjarken. Kjarken. Crow, cattle. Crow. Crow. One cow is bow. Bow. And sharach, a foal. Sharach. Sharach.
Evel mór an bhioich yn acaf.
Díadach cúrich is kerken is sharach. Shintan yn kerk.
Evel na kerken y bydde.
O ha. Bishin je fein tusa nuhe hulala.
Tai nan kjark. The hen house. Tai nan kjark. Tai nan kjark. A bre, laying. A bre. A bre.
Camping is a popular countryside activity. Campig. Campig. Possible places for camping are Rituv an Uilch, beside the stream. Rituv an Uilch. Rituv an Uilch. Rituv na Cullia, beside the wood. Rituv na Cullia. Rituv na Cullia. And Fashgir an Trai, near the beach. Fashg ir an Trai. Fashg ir an Trai.
To suggest where to camp, you might say, Jay ma yin here's a shin. What about down there?
Yn fyd sy'n yn hentach o'r sŵas y sio hen?
Che ma yin here's a shink di tuv an uilch.
Bysyn ma, ha e ffasgyr yn traach cwtioch.
Am food sin yn tent a chwrsuas a sio hen. May we put the tent up just here? To say you'd like to go fishing, you say Butalum a gol yeskach. Butalum a gol a yeskach.
To ask where the best place for fishing is, you say, Jane Thatcher a shar son ieskach. Jane Thatcher a shar son ieskach.
One suggestion might be, ha ieskach ma a navin. There is good fishing on the river.
To ask someone if they caught anything, you say, Anduru Carl. Anduru Carl.
To reply that you caught something, you say, Huer. Huer. Or to reply that you didn't catch anything, you might say, Chatuer. Chatuer.
Betulle me gol a yeskach. Betulle agus leumse arstid. Jane Thatcher shares son iesgach.
Ha iesgach ma is een navin ha me is moeiachig.
En doe je Karl haast?
Ga doe het, a ga brich gam kan Jacob. Gon ik me verder leem. Doe je heen, Karl.
Hoe het me brech?
Hoor me brech. I got a trout. One trout is brech. Brech. More than one trout is brich. Brich. Ha brich aan gunchukov. There are trout right enough.
Chunnig me fer a lame. I saw one jumping.
To ask what a particular landmark is called, you use Trish. For example, Trish a vein at. What do they call that mountain or hill?
Or you could say, J and Tenem a here whatever it is. For example, J and Tenem a here a glaunchen howl. What's the name of that glen over there?
Some other landscape features are Knoch, a hillock, Dreim, a ridge, and Ruhr, a headland.
Gaf molishkel, Jay Hannes at de Cheveniat.
Sin scoor alles dit.
Jane Tanya me heet ik lem shin haul.
Sin glawn illich.
To say that you're going hill walking, you could say, Hami itol a choshach nim biaun.
To say you intend to go up a mountain, you might say, Hatu lacam agol suas a vein, or Hatu lacam a vein sho a yirig. I intend to climb this mountain.
To ask how high the mountain is, you say, Jecho art sa ha a vein. A reply might be, She a vein is artje to Michel a sho. It's the highest mountain round here.
Jay had do like a vegian of Jew.
Ha met alle gashach kunnen beun. Ergens hoe heen?
Had do like so got so as a vein. A villa sack of Jecho art sa high.
Ganeel?
She a vein is saartje to Michel show.
In the round-up conversation, the MacLeod family prepared to spend a day by the sea. Rituv na Mara.
Listen for the following phrases connected with the seaside. Betulum agol gan try. I'd like to go to the beach.
A tokal kastel ganeich. Building a sand castle.
Jay has in je Jan of Jew. If it's niet al a gaanpig.
Betel leum zeg al gaan draai.
Shall lap the hound. Futus in je tent or so as the tuvne mara.
Be shing ma. Agus fute dusse halang iesgach am se wool.
Stocha.
Be me se tokal kastel ganaich. Nu de vis kalang je diesgach.
Glei val dooi.
Thaltige Ernest Daihit Sakoik, Unit 45. In this unit, we'll be talking about what should or ought to be done. You should, or you ought to, is Buchorgut. Buchorgut. Buchorgut klokach achurorst. You should put on a helmet.
In the following scenes, listen for Buchorgut gal de hochger. You should take it easy. Gal de hochger. Gal de hochger.
And Buchorgev phonig chuna follish. You ought to phone the police. Phonig chuna follish. Phonig chunna follish.
Yfel o tot slecht de bicycle.
Ha?
Ma ha, bachar goeft klokketje goed arst.
Could me ar am moch lockage?
Agus bi feichgelach.
Be. Ma chas. Bachod goeft galet de hochgus.
Begad juutse galet de hochkes.
Wel sef kerst guljoor.
Ha?
Ha.
Hierich.
Moch thech. Meerlich. Wat kunt je aan zijn tui?
Begad gij vonnig in de vallish.
Oh, ma geweg.
In the first scene, the boy replied, Curimi aram mochlocket. I'll put on my helmet. His mother added, Be feichgalach. Be careful. Be feichgalach. Be feichgalach.
In the last scene, the house was burgled. The man said, Merlich, thieves, Merlich, Merlich. Va kutjiken ounds and tay. Someone was in the house.